Hello friends, welcome back to this new video. Here I am going to show you how to solve number auto change to decimal problem in Excel. Sometimes while working in Excel, if you put a number in a cell, for example 12, then press enter, the number automatically changes to 0.12. If you put here 245, it becomes 2.45. This happens because of change in the settings in Excel. To solve this, click on the File tab, click on Options, click on Advanced, and here you can see this automatically insert a decimal point option is enabled. That is why you are getting this problem. To fix this, simply disable this option or unmark this. Alternatively, you can mark it and make it 0 as well, or you can put the number as it is and disable this option from here, then click on OK. Now if you put the number, it doesn't change to decimal.